Henry. Are you kidding? Henry, no!
You ever hear a cat sneeze before? It's the cutest thing ever.
Bless you!
А кто у меня тут такой хитрый пристроился? Просыпайся давай. Что значит не хочешь? Вставай, сказал. Вот сейчас нос натру тебе и будешь вставать. Не переговаривайся со мной. Что значит мешаю тебе? Говорю, поднимайся. Школу проспишь.
Day 91 of trying to get the neighbor's cat to love me. Mother, let me out. It is a new day. Oh my goodness gracious, there she is. Hello pretty lady, please don't run away. I am in love with you. Hi. Go away. What is your name, beautiful princess? Leave me alone. My name is Lincoln, and you are the moon of my life. Gross. My name is Lily. Bye. Mother. I have learnt her name. Lily is the most beautiful name. Swipe, 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 bap, bap. Swipe, swipe, bap. Today was my favorite of days. I learned the love of my life's name. I can't wait for tomorrow. Wish me luck.